Hi my YouTube friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am Dee and you are viewing the How To Lady. So we are celebrating the holiday season. See if you can use any of these tips. And as always, we're gonna get this ball rolling and we're gonna knock it out of the park. Christmas doesn't have to just consist of your traditional colors. This is Christmas at our academy. We like the color teal, and we just brought in some silver trees. But we really use teal a lot in our decor for the Christmas holidays. As I stated earlier, Christmas does not have to consist of just your traditional red, white, and green colors. The fireplace has some teal and white lights. They look like Christmas ornaments. And then we even take it to another level in our pink room, pink and black. Christmas in pink and black. And we have a few Christmas items in here. Definitely you can take it to the next level and not stick with your traditional green, red, and white. Here are some cool ideas that will get you in the holiday spirit. Here at the Academy, not only have we decorated this room in a beautiful shades of teal and white with a splash of black, we've also went into one of our other spaces and we have decorated that in pink and black. In our office, we also have teal, a splash of black, and white. You can think outside of the color box and design your space in the holiday shade that you desire. I promise you, it does work. Today I will be sharing various holiday decorative ideas that I've created. Here you have a Zeta tree. This tree is adorned with all things Zeta. Our colors are royal blue and white, and we've topped it off with a beautiful handcrafted royal blue and white Zeta Lady Christmas tree topper. She's wearing a royal blue gown and adorned with her white pearls. This is finer womanhood at its finest. Now for our traditional Christmas tree. This beautiful Christmas tree is adorned with all things red and white and various ornaments. Yes, we've topped it off with a beautiful red and white tree topper, handcrafted, and it stands out among the crowd. As we step out of our Christmas color box, we're going with a purple passion Christmas tree. Here's our purple passion Christmas tree with all things purple, purple ornaments, and silver ornaments. We've topped things off with a small bow on the tree and a handcrafted purple Christmas wreath. Everything's perfectly purple Christmas. No Christmas would be the same without a baby blue Christmas tree. This baby blue Christmas tree is adorned with silver ornaments and baby blue ornaments. We've also added some white ornaments, and we've topped it off with a small bow on the tree and a handcrafted blue wreath. All right, for those of you who really like to step out of the box, here's our Steelers black and yellow Christmas tree and decorations. Our tree is adorned with everything Steelers, from buttons, ribbons, bows, you name it, it's on this tree. And we've topped it off with a beautiful Steelers ribbon. This concludes our holiday decoration ideas and suggestions. Remember to always put your personality into your decor. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.